Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing a legal path, upgrade to Alight Motion Premium, or obtain explicit permission from the content owner. Once decided, make sure your project files are organized and named consistently so exports are clean. You should also review export settings to confirm resolution, frame rate, and codec before proceeding. This avoids repeated exports. If you plan to share publicly, document permissions to avoid disputes. If you upgrade, the app will apply the official no-logo export option automatically. Next, export and replace using legitimate methods. Export through Alight Motion's paid export option or request a logo-free master from the original creator when you have permission. Once you have a clean asset, you can add your own branding or overlay elements for consistency. If you must mask an existing logo, do so only with the content owner's consent and by adding new creative elements rather than attempting to hide copyrighted marks. This preserves integrity and avoids violating terms of service. Finally, finalize and troubleshoot. Once exported, review the file on different devices to confirm the watermark is gone. If a logo still appears, make sure your subscription is active, you exported from the correct project, and your app is up to date. Those are common causes. If problems persist, contact Alight Motion support or the original content owner for a release or guidance. Remember, only remove or replace logos when you have the legal right to do so to avoid copyright or terms violations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.